Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today I'm giving you a video about boiled bananas, and I have done so many videos on at least 2 more videos on bananas because I love bananas and it is so good for us. Green bananas are high in resistant starch, so it does not spike your insulin. You know, some people may have diabetes and they said that they don't want to use the right banana because it will spike them, but the green bananas does not do that, and so therefore it regulates the blood pressure because it is also high in potassium. It also boosts your metabolism. So if you're looking to lose weight, the green bananas are very, very healthy for you. It is also high in B6, and it's aid in restoring your kidney functions back to normal. And it is also good for digestion, so you won't have any bloating or any constipation when you eat a lot of green bananas. And as in saying that, then you know that it cures diarrhea. So if you're having diarrhea, just eat some green bananas and it will balance back your tummy out to normal. I just want to show you here now. I have some sweet pepper, I have green onions, I have some thyme, I have some purple onions? I have purple onions, and I have some corn and some green beans. And let me just show you now. So you would boil the banana. Come up, Amy. You would boil the banana in here. See how nice and soft they are? And so I put them, oops, that one is gone. So I put them over in here like that. So you could either peel it Simple Life, or you could just go ahead and boil them in the skin if that's preferable to you. And if you don't want the water to be black, the skin of the banana helps it to stay clear, or if you put a lemon skin, it keeps it from going black. So what I will do now is to take it off the skin like that, and just cube it up like this. Just cube it the way. And green bananas are also a fruit, I think. Some people will say ripe banana is a fruit and green banana is a vegetable, but I still believe that green banana is a fruit because it has a seed in the middle. So I love green banana salad. So with that now, you put whatever seasoning you want, because remember, green banana is kind of bland, so you have to do it to make it tasty. So with the whatever all-purpose seasoning you use, I'm gonna put some cayenne because I don't like to put the black pepper because it's not good for us. And I have a homemade mayo dressing on my channel. You could use that, or this is the, you see that, Amy? Mm-hmm. This is the vegan dressing spread. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some in here. Just put enough as you know that you can handle, and then you just go ahead and combine everything together like this. And of course, when you boil the banana with a little salt, it gives it a better taste. Green bananas are so healthy, so good for us. I don't think that any home should be without green bananas. I once had constipation, Simple Life, and I'm telling you, I had a whole bowl of green bananas, and immediately after I went. So I'm not afraid to tell you that if you are one that is struggling with constipation, eat more green banana, because the fiber, and no wonder you will lose weight with it, because if it's sending you to the washroom, then your tummy then you're going to lose weight, and then your tummy is going to go down. So let's go ahead and try this now. See how nice it looks, Simple Life, and appetizing. So let's go ahead and try. Oh my gosh. This doesn't need anything, Simple Life. It is so good and colorful. So you put up all sweet peppers, onion, seasoning, whatever you want to put in there and give it a try. Very, very nice. I highly recommend that you give this a try. So thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. And Simple Life, please like the videos, because when you like them, then it goes more. Like when someone type in green bananas, then this recipe will show up in the feed, and then I will be able to get out there more. So thank you again for spending your time here, and please give this a try and comment, like, share, and let me know what you think. Okay, bye for now.